I first visited this place during the time that I was invited, I really got impressed upon entering Altamonte subdivision. So that's the first thing that came into my mind, that I really wanted to have a property within this subdivision. More so, it's a condominium that suits my need. Super different siya. So that's what I like. Location is perfect because Leisure Suites not really facing Tagaytay Lake, which is very famous, of course, in Tagaytay. But yung peace kasi, that's what I'm really looking for. Weather of Tagaytay is really perfect. Hindi rin siya ganun kalayo in terms of the nearby places that you needed to go to. Mga restaurants, daily needs that you need, groceries, malls, and other destinations in Tagaytay. Super malapit siya. So it's not really an issue, although it's not really facing the lake. And Leisure Suites yung nakabigay sa akin ng lahat nung ina-ask ko. I really like yung bedroom itself because it's facing the park of Altamonte subdivision. So it gives you serenity and peace. It gives you the prime feel, yung leisure feel that you own the property within Altamonte subdivision. That's what makes it very different. Very homey. I'm actually talking to an interior designer already. How I wanted it to be designed. Modern, functional, and very homey. So that's what I like my unit to be. It's for my own personal use. Hindi ko pa siya nakikita as something as investments for me to be able to earn money for now, like renting it out or placing it as a listing in Airbnb. I want the unit to be my weekend getaway condo here in Tagaytay. Kasi diba, usually 5 days a week, you work in the hustle and bustle of Manila. So during weekends, so that's something that I wanted to have na may peace, serenity here. For me, that's already an investment. It's actually fast, efficient, friendly yung buong team ng Leisure Suites. Actually, from the time i-inquire pa lang ako, they have been very helpful sa akin. During the actual turnover, talagang napakita naman sa akin yung punch list, at okay na sa actual unit, yung mga rules, at saka yung mga turnover items that needed to be done. Yung mismong unit turnover is just one factor, pero yung customer service kasi, that's actually makes it different. Friendlier yung mga staff than the other ones. Overall, it's very outstanding. So the sales team, very unique experience. I also like the back office team, who's been very helpful to me whenever I have queries. And then another thing, exceptional. So engineer was there, and then the people from this property management, very helpful then up to the time that I was able to get the property itself during the turnover. So it was very, very exceptional.